Hello and welcome to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to mix social media, affiliate marketing, and get the most money possible with your time online. Stay tuned and watch every single step because they are all very important. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I suggest you do. We talk about making money online and tips for affiliate marketing. We are constantly uploading videos about it. So if you want to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, I suggest you subscribe. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is yet, I suggest you watch one of our earlier videos. But if you do, and even if you don't, I'm going to summarize it real quick just so that you have an idea of what it is, and you can keep watching this video and you can go back and watch the other videos later. Now, affiliate marketing is the opportunity of selling someone else's product and being able to earn a commission on that sell. Amazon Associates is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces in the world. Amazon Associates allows you to sell Amazon products, and so every time that you sell one of their products, you make a commission on that sale. It's very simple. You just sign up, you log in, it's totally free, and then after you do, you go to this page, and here you're gonna be able to find products to which you're gonna get a personalized link, and then you're gonna use that link, you're gonna share that link, and then when people click that link and buy that product, you're gonna earn money on the sale of that product. So basically, you look for products that you think you can share to people and people might want to buy. For example, here we have all the items in the category of best selling products by category, books and textbooks. We have a lot of books and stuff like that. We, for example, have this Friends calendar. This seems like something that some other people that I know might buy, right? So when you click on it, it gives you different ways to sell it, right? So it gives you text only, maybe some images. It gives you the personalized link, right? And if you click on highlight link, you're gonna be able to copy that link and use that link to sell it. Now, there's other ways to get the products that you want, and you don't have to stick to the best selling ones. You can just look for the products that you like. So for example, if we search for Friends, we're going to see all of the products that are available for Friends, and if we sell any of these products, we could make a commission on it. Even the episodes, even if you write maybe a blog post about an episode and you put the episode down there and people click on it or buy it to watch it, you will earn a commission on that sell, right? So if we click, we find Friends calendar, we can select the get link button, and then we can get a shorter Amazon link that we can use online so that we don't have to paste that huge link that we saw earlier, right? So it's very easy to find products. It's very easy to find the products that you might want to sell. So for example, if I had a YouTube channel or something, a page about selling electronics, I could look for hard drives, right? And if I like Seagate stuff, then I just look for Seagate hard drives, right? And why did I look for Seagate hard drives? Because we have this page right here that's selling a Seagate hard drive. It's called Tips and Reviews, and it basically just sells electronic stuff, and it tells you whenever there's like a good sell. And they're talking about this hard drive right here, which was at $219 for 12 terabytes, right? So if we click on that link, we see that product, and then if someone was to buy that product, that person or that page would make money on that sell. It's that simple. You get a personalized link, you post it on social media, and you sign up to Amazon first. Actually, you sign up to Amazon, you take the link, you post it on social media, and then you can start making money. And there's many more marketplaces. For example, ClickBank. ClickBank is another marketplace that you can sign up to, and it's also totally free. There's plenty marketplaces for different products, and for example, ClickBank has a very good catalog on products. They have very well segmented categories like arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, right? So they have a lot of categories that you can pick from. We're gonna choose arts and entertainment, and after we click on arts and entertainment, we're gonna be able to see all of the products they have listed on arts and entertainment, and they're gonna have some information on them, on if they're selling or not, and how much money people are earning from them, etc., right? And if you want to learn a little bit more from that, I suggest you watch our earlier videos. We have a video on ClickBank that tells you all of that information, and we're gonna pick